In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for task management. By the end, you'll have a simple, flexible system you can build on using only the essentials. First, open the Notion website in your browser. When the workspace loads, you'll see the sidebar on the left and your main content area on the right. We're starting fresh, so let's create a dedicated place for your tasks. Click New Page. You'll usually find this in the sidebar. A blank page opens, ready for you to set it up exactly how you want. At the top, enter a page title. Type Task Management. This becomes the home for your task system and makes it easy to find later. Now, add a database to this page. A database is the backbone of task tracking in Notion. Choose a database format so your tasks live in a structured list. A table is a straightforward option because it's simple to read and customize. This gives you rows for tasks and columns for details. Next, rename the columns and the rows to match how you think about your work. Click the first column name and change it to Task or Task Name. This is where you'll type what needs to get done. For other columns, rename them to labels that make sense for you, like Status, Due Date, and Priority. Keep it minimal at first so it's easy to maintain. If you see sample rows, replace them with your own tasks. Click into the first row and enter a task, then press Enter to add more. Think of each row as one task and each column as a detail about that task. From here, feel free to customize everything for your task management. Adjust column widths so important information is easy to scan. Reorder columns by dragging them so the most critical details come first. If a column doesn't fit your workflow, rename it to it or remove it to keep things clean. For labels like Status, tailor the options to the way you work, such as To Do, In Progress, and Done. Keep your wording consistent so your database stays tidy over time. As you add tasks, update their details in the same place so it becomes your single source of truth. That's it. You opened Notion, created a new page, named it Task Management, added a database, renamed columns and rows, and customized the layout to fit your needs. Keep it simple at the start and refine as you go. Notion saves automatically, so you can come back anytime and keep building your system.